Evening all. Welcome to our first crit. It's going to be a bit of pain tonight. Looking forward to it though. We've got 15 laps of the Canary Wharf race circuit in the UK, so looking forward to that. You might have seen my sprint I laid down yesterday, just a little bit of a teaser, 17 seconds for the sprint. We'll see if anyone can top that, eh? My goal tonight is just to stay with the bunch. There's some big hitters. We've got a few uber quads tonight. We've got President Liam, we've got Kurt. So Kurt Harmon's in. Ashton Symes turned up. Look out, Ashton's in. I've just heard that young Sam Washington's coming in too. So we'll go for a race and we'll see who's lined up and see how they're going. Any talk going on. So there we are. We've got a dozen starters so far, with a few more coming in. So look out. I see Liam's just doing a little bit of warm up. President Liam. So 1.8 watts a kilo. Keith Prevost is in. Keith, the big fleet's hope from down south. Look out for Keith. I might be targeting him tonight. And there's another one there, Peter Ridley, another C grader, and Paul Power. Look out, boys, I'm coming for you. All right, so we've got about 3.5 minutes before the race starts. We've got a little bit of competition tonight with my live feed. I hear Ryan Wilmot's going live. Ryan's probably a little bit better to look at than me, but you know what? I think I'll give him a run for his money. He might be my target tonight too. So 3:30, just warming up. Happy to get any feedback on the podcast, guys, on the live stream. We want to try and bring you as much racing as we can over the next few weeks. So look out for it. We're going to do Wednesday night worlds, Wednesday night crits, every Wednesday night, 6:30. Put in your calendar. Also Sundays, 10 o'clock. Sundays at 10 o'clock. We're going to race road races. So this weekend we've got a bit of a grueling road race through Italy. 40 Ks, 1,100 metres of climbing. So make sure you get into that. I'll certainly be well at the back. There's a bit of a challenge down that I need to live stream the whole thing. Well, we'll see about that. We'll see how we go tonight, eh? We'll see how we go. So 15 laps. You saw the preview of the circuit. 15 laps. 4 corners. 2 short straights, 2 long straights. Pretty simple. They're looking pretty serious there, aren't they? Look at that. Don't know who it is with no helmet, but he's too cool for school, that one. Kurt's warm up at 2.5 watts a kilo. Look out, Kurt. Ryan's the same. 2 minutes to go. All getting a little bit serious. A little bit nervous. While we're waiting, a little bit of a shout out to our volunteers in our club. You know, our volleys, they're wonderful people. They do such a fantastic job every week. You know, especially the guys down on the corner. You know, Dottie gets here early every week, sets up the course. You've got Dave Jolly, Eric Maddock. You've got Sally Rowan on the service, on the registration desk. Roland Horn stands on the corner. You know, Martin Thurby's always out there. And obviously, you know, you can't go past Mark Laurie, Michael Brecken, all those guys. They do a fantastic job. So when you see them, make sure you say g'day. They're probably doing it pretty tough, you know. Bit of withdrawal symptoms, having to be riding inside. Hope you like the new digs. The wife doesn't. She hates me. But, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. If she wants to live with me, she's got to put up with it. The kids probably hate me too, because they're packing up all their broadband. But anyway, that's all right. 50 seconds to go. Give everyone a bit of a wave. We've got a little bit of trash talk with these early quads. I think they're going to take this race out. We're getting serious to start. 30 seconds. Can't see Sam Washington. He might not have got in here. No, well. Next race, Sam. Ten seconds. Oh, it's a few at the back. 4, 3, 2. Oh, we're live. Let's try and get a draft here. You can see the draft up in the top left. That's what I'm saving. Third super final. So we've got breaking through already. Brian and Liam. I'll bring it back, why not? Here we go. Let's try and sit in now. Well, last past, either one. One left down. 14 to go. Stuck in no man's land. Come on, boys. Come and see Gladys Brighter. Chip, come on. Let's see if I can wait for these guys. I'm not really sitting up. Two laps, 14 to go, 13 to go. From along my way. Look at it. Split right up. Let's put a good toe here if I can. Keep sitting back. Someone stuck on the line. Sorry about that. Oh, they're very quick, they come fast, good on them. Oh, I'm going to stop too much. Okay, go right backwards. Oh, 3 laps down. I'm almost cooked. Can sit in here. Fuck him, and sit here. Oh, that's good. Oh, the ladies are a quarter of a lap ahead of us. It's a race. So I'm still stuck on the line. Yeah, it's better. Just kidding, catch your breath. Looks like we're sprinting for about 5th. That's alright. Ryan and Liam going up the front. Got 100 metres. Ashton Simon looks like he's chasing. Not enough powder, Ashton, mate. Gotta keep going. Oh, I'm falling off the back here. There we go. There we go. Come on, Paul, catch it, mate. Come on. Here we go, come on. Yeah, good work, Paul, good work. Awesome job, mate. Yeah, good sport, all the way to the front. Slide up a bit. Oh, we're down 4 laps, 5 laps almost. I'm good. Here we go. Someone's still stuck on the line. We've dropped someone. Who have we dropped? Drop Paul. Keith. Keith Pre-Box is gone. Oh. And it's on my boots, it is. Metres. Well, that's down. Oh, here we go again. There's some mixes off the back too. Come on, Pete, come on. Let's get on. Oh, 6 laps down, 90 go. Oh. Yeah, hit the tuck. Up the hill, let's go. Alrighty. Yeah, nice swings then, Pete. Got that. Just so much better without the box. Better computer. See what's going on. Upgrades when you love the wave, mate. Love the wave. Yeah, that's good. And again, lifting fans. Oh. You going again? Hold on. Hold on. It's that 7 laps in. I'm cooked. Oh no, here we go. Left arm. That's the weight advantage. I'm done. I'll wait for the next bunch. Keith and Kristen, you gotta hang on there. This is pretty good, guys. If you can work out, not quite as social as a race, but better than doing nothing. Better than around feeling sorry for yourself. Get in there, let's race though. 70 metres and still back. Just over halfway now. And I'm cooked. Here they come, no. Standing diet. Thanks, Pete. Go, Pete, straight to the front, mate, come on. There you go, good boy. Seven Ks to go. There you go. You're really getting left here. Turning 1100 meter course. No, I think there's other people behind us. Laying around water front. 500 metres I got. Oh. That's Liam driving. We're going to turn here. Oh, I can't push that big gear. Well, that's to go. The Williams got 4. I've got 6 left actually. 5 a bit. Alright, full power. Looks like his internet's dropped out. With some boots, 160 metres behind me. See if we can keep him there. Oh, oh, yep. Set for off you go. Right, well, it's definitely got this race and Liam. The neck and neck working together. Elijah and Ashton started out in 2nd and 3rd, or 3rd and 4th. Johnny Willhouse out by his own in 7th. Can't see his 5th and 6th. I know I'm not. Put Colin stuck on the line. Luckily, next time though. Four and a half to go. 4 laps. That's 40 yards. What's the need copy? 4 Ks. Need a copy. Going hard, boys. Going hard. Not hard enough, though. Should say boys and girls, sorry. I've seen some ladies on the course. That'd be nice. Three and a half to go. I count them down. That's not good. That's not good. 160 metres of Christian. Next week on the line. Hi, Luke. Keith Prevost come up in front of me. Kurt's dropped off too. Oh, might have something to chase here. Another couple of laps and see if we can put in last lap. Metres to Kurt. Sneak the point. There they are, just up the road. Seen this here before. Two metres. Like that. Come on. Let's go, eh? Go. Well, I'm cooked. Keep putting the lights. Doesn't let me go. There he is. Pretty cat and mouse, eh? There he is. Nice bike there, Keith. Looks like the focus. One to go. Who's at the front? Ryan one. Ryan Wilmot. President Williams second. Last lap. Little bit cat and mouse going in here. So here we go in the sprint. I reckon I'll go early, Keith. Is that too hot? What do you reckon? 500 metres. Sitting right there. $400 metres. There goes Luke. He puts it down here. Oh, well done, Keith. Good job. Well done. Well, that was fun. That was a lot of fun, guys. A whole lot of fun. Just want to catch my breath. Ryan, warm up. Liam, you go first. And second. Elijah, third. Peter. Nice ride, Peter. Ridley, good job. John, Willhouse. Keith Prevost got me just. Well done, Keith. Oh, look. I got Ashton on the line. Woohoo. They'll want to go down the books just like the club chance a few weeks ago. Alright, guys. I'm just about cooked. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us. As always, support our sponsors, KD's, The Bike Place, Fleet Cycles and Mandurah, and Mickey's good, doing a great job. So is Cal and the boys, and Joe, and obviously Dan in Rockingham, and the team up there. I was in the shop today. Yeah, good to see them. Okay, guys, support your local bike shops. Thanks heaps. Keep rolling, eh? Keep rolling. Woo! Good job.